Top fashion trends coming in 2025. The fashion world is ever evolving, and as we approach 2025, the industry is once again poised for a transformation. Driven by new technologies, shifting social values, and a desire for sustainability, the fashion landscape is adapting to meet the needs of a more conscientious, tech-savvy, and experimental audience. Here's a look at the top fashion trends to watch for in 2025, from cutting-edge designs to the return of nostalgic styles that have been reimagined for today. 1. Sustainable and circular fashion. Sustainability has been at the forefront of fashion for years, but 2025 is expected to see a true commitment to circular fashion. This means not only using sustainable materials but also designing clothes that can be recycled or upcycled into new pieces. Major brands are committing to circular business models, offering take-back programs, and using biodegradable materials in production. Expect to see clothing that incorporates organic, lab-grown, or even biodegradable textiles, with a focus on reducing waste and minimizing the industry's environmental footprint. 2. Tech-enhanced fabrics and smart wearables. As technology becomes more integrated into our daily lives, fashion is embracing its functional side. By 2025, wearable technology will be seamless and stylish, blending functionality with aesthetics. Expect to see fabrics embedded with health monitoring sensors, temperature-regulating materials, and even garments that change colors or patterns based on body temperature or lighting conditions. Smart wearables are no longer limited to watches and fitness trackers. Instead, they are becoming a holistic part of our wardrobes, merging high-tech functionality with fashion-forward designs. 3. Gender fluid and androgynous fashion. Fashion in 2025 will continue to move beyond traditional gender norms, with gender fluid and androgynous styles taking center stage. Designers are increasingly creating pieces that aren't restricted to menswear or women's wear but are instead wearable for anyone, regardless of gender identity. We'll see more unisex collections and a focus on comfortable, versatile garments that adapt to all body types. This trend reflects the evolving societal acceptance of diversity and individuality, giving consumers the freedom to express themselves without boundaries. 4. Maximalism. Bold colors and vibrant prints. Minimalism has had its moment, and now maximalism is making a grand comeback in 2025. Expect to see bold colors, striking patterns, and daring designs that draw inspiration from art, nature, and retro styles. Vibrant prints, exaggerated silhouettes, and eclectic combinations of textures and fabrics will dominate the runway. This trend is all about self-expression, encouraging individuals to embrace their personalities through eye-catching pieces that make a statement. 5. Retro reimagined. 70s, 80s, and 90s revival. Fashion has always been inspired by the past, and 2025 will see a mix of nostalgic influences from the 1970s, 1980s, and 1990s, reinterpreted for the modern age. Flared pants, oversized blazers, and chunky platform shoes will make a return, updated with contemporary cuts and materials. Retro patterns like tie-dye, floral prints, and neon hues will also make an appearance, appealing to those who appreciate the charm of bygone eras but with a fresh twist that feels modern and relevant. 6. Eco-friendly athleisure and functional fashion. Athleisure is here to stay, but in 2025 it's evolving to meet the demands of eco-conscious consumers who prioritize both style and sustainability. Athleisure brands are shifting to using organic cotton, recycled polyester, and other sustainable materials that reduce environmental impact. We'll see a surge in functional pieces that are versatile enough for both workout sessions and casual outings, with an emphasis on comfort and utility. Look out for multifunctional designs with detachable layers, water-resistant fabrics, and pockets galore. 7. 3D printed and customizable fashion. Customization and 3D printing are revolutionizing the fashion industry, making it possible to create one-of-a-kind pieces that fit individuals' bodies and styles perfectly. By 2025, we'll see an increase in 3D printed garments that are tailored to fit the wearer's exact measurements, reducing the need for wasteful mass production. Customization options, such as choosing colors, patterns, and even fabrics, will be available to customers on a larger scale, allowing people to purchase unique items that feel personalized and special. 8. Textured layers and mixed fabrics. 2025 is the year of tactile fashion, with designers experimenting with rich textures and layered fabrics to create depth and dimension in their pieces. From quilted jackets to shearling vests, textured layers will add a sense of luxury and coziness to everyday wear. This trend is about mixing and matching fabrics like velvet, silk, denim, and faux fur, allowing for unexpected combinations that add interest and intrigue to outfits. These designs offer visual appeal and a sense of comfort, making layered fashion practical and stylish. 9. Statement accessories and jewelry. Accessories are taking a bolder turn in 2025, with oversized and statement jewelry coming into the spotlight. Chunky necklaces, big earrings, and layered bracelets will be essential to elevate outfits. This trend extends to bags and hats as well. We'll see brightly colored handbags, retro-inspired hats, and even wearable tech accessories designed as eye-catching pieces. 10. Digital fashion and virtual reality styling. The digital fashion space is growing, and by 2025, it will become a mainstream way to experiment with style and trends. Digital clothing, designed for virtual platforms and social media, is a new playground for fashion enthusiasts who want to dress up their avatars and online profiles. Expect virtual styling platforms where users can try on digital clothing in augmented reality (AR) before making a purchase. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Drop a comment with your thoughts. And I'll see you in the next one.